Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to diamond lace shoes. This will be an easy shoelace tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Obviously we have a shoe right here, we have a shoelace. What we're going to start off by doing is we're going to go from in to out, okay, on your bottom set of holes right there. Just like that, in to out, and obviously you want to make sure that your shoelaces are even. So I'm just pulling them to make sure that they are indeed even, okay? Now we're going to take one side, okay? And it doesn't matter which one because it's going to be identical on both sides, okay? So I might say my right, your left, doesn't matter. It's the same thing on both sides. So I'm going to take one side and I'm going to skip a hole, but I'm going to go to the next available one on the other side. And we're going from out to in, okay? So now we went from out to in, we skipped the hole over there. Okay, pull the shoelace up, make sure it's nice and organized. Do the same thing with the other side. We're going to skip a hole going out to in, just like that, okay? Now, what we do next is we're going to take one side and on the exact same side, we're going to go to the hole that we skipped and we're going to go in to out, just like that, in to out, okay? Now your shoelace should be out on that side. And then same thing on this side. Go to the hole that we skipped and we're going in to out. Just like that. Shoelace got tangled right here. And you're going to notice a repeating pattern that makes it pretty easy to follow along with, okay? So now, we're going to take, our shoelaces are on the out now, okay? We're going to take this one side, we're going to go across to the next available hole, going out to in, just like that. Same thing with this side, across to the next available hole, out to in. Okay, now we're going to take one side and we're going to go in to out and we're going to double up. So we're going back one hole. I'm at this hole right here, okay? I'm going back one hole. So this one right here, I'm going in to out, okay? Just like that. Same thing with this side. We're going reverse one hole, in to out, okay? Now the shoelaces are out again, okay? Go across, out to in on the next available hole. Across, out to in on the next available hole, just like that. All right, now we're in on the sides again, okay? We're gonna backtrack one hole, into out. All right, backtrack one hole, into out, just like that. We're starting to see it take shape. It's looking awesome. If you want it to look even better, make sure your laces are nice and straight and make sure they're clean. Mine are dirty, but I like them this way. They look awesome in my opinion. Okay, we're going across, out to in, all right? Across, out to in, all right? Now we're gonna backtrack, into out, backtrack one hole. So we're going from here, backtrack one hole, into out, just like that. The final step, go across, out to in, just like that. Go across, out to in, just like that, okay? Once again, that last one was across, out to in, just like that. And then at this point, you can tie up your shoelaces inside. I like to tie them under the tongue of the shoe, so it just looks great. And there you have it. That is your diamond lacing pattern. Really easy to do. Like I said, you can tighten it up. You can, obviously, as you can see right here, like some parts are looser than others. I would take my time, tighten everything up and make it look awesome. But that's basically what it's going to look like. Very simple tutorial for how to diamond lace shoes. This has been an easy shoelace tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.